I invited 12 people to my local gaming store and told them we'd film a short bit and needed some people in the background for a video. Little did they know that they'd be given $100 to buy whatever Warhammer they want. The only caveat, they only have 1 minute and 30 seconds to pick it out. Here's how it all went down.
Nice, perfect.
So, a few weeks back, Raid Shadow Legends reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a little bit of a different video. And they offered to fund the whole thing. So I reached out to my favorite local game store.
Fantasia, the whole idea with this video is that these people get 1 minute and 30 seconds to pick whatever they want. The only rule they have is they can't go over 1,000 crowns. That is approximately $120.
And we're good to go to invite the first people.
I don't know if you know why you're here. The store is yours. Whatever you can carry, we'll pay for. 1,000 crowns is the limit. Do you have any plan?
Orcs.
Time has started. Let's go.
Okay, Jalmar is first out. A kid who haven't been able to visit the store for almost a year now.
Is it Space Orcs or Age of Sigmar Orcs? On the other side, here.
He's looking for some Age of Sigmar orcs.
30 seconds.
But since the last year, the store has changed the entire layout, so he couldn't find any of the stuff he was looking for. And time was ticking fast.
More paints, brown paints.
But with 10 seconds to spare, he had made his selection. Unfortunately, I had gone over with almost 20% on the total. But I did not have the heart to say no to the big maw crush that I had picked.
There's a sale. We just heard that there's a sale on Fantasia.
So, of course, he got to keep all of it.
And we managed to stay within 1,000 crowns as well. It's perfect. Was there anything you would change?
Maybe if I would have found the brutes. But 2 more crushes is good.
It's okay. We're gonna have a cool army anyway.
Yeah.
So let's head over to 10-year-old Emil, because he has to say something about Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends. Good topic, Emil. Raid just passed the 2-year anniversary. The game has bigger than ever. You mean bigger than ever before?
Number 1 RPG in the US. 1 million players every day.
Over 2 million battles. And a massive community of players. They just did a month of awesome events and it's not slowing down. This is one of their new champions. I like him because he looks like my dad when he's angry with me. They are also releasing a second version of the Doom Tower. I played this on my dad's phone yesterday and I got lots of... Please get back to the presentation, will you? 3 favorite things about Shadow Legends. Number 1, awesome character. Number 2, good environment for building diorama inspiration. Number 3, huge head start. All you have to do is follow the link in the video description or this QR code. And you get this giant, 100,000 silver, 50 germs, and 3 ancient shards.
All these treasures will be waiting for you here.
Thank you, 10 years old Emil. That's very informative.
Okay, up next we got 3 more local kids. Olle, Rasmus and Amaro.
Do you have a plan?
I think I have a plan.
No.
No? Okay. Well, time starts now, so go ahead.
And we're off to the races. And it was so fascinating to see how differently different people reacted to the situation. Some got turned up to 11, as you'll see in the next one, and some took it really calmly.
Oh, good choice. Do you need to start collecting box? We have them over here.
And just like with the first kid, most of these hadn't been in the stores for months because of Corona.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
But in the end, they all made their selections.
That's it. You're happy? Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. We're good to go. I also heard that you need some grass
It
tufts.
didn't hurt to throw things on people's pile if I knew that they were a bit under the limit.
Nice.
Rasmus managed to get the Realm Shaper engine, Necron Tomb Blades and 3 Grass Tuft packs. Olle got the Beastclaw Raiders, start collecting box and some dice for a total of 884.
Nice.
And Amaro managed to snag the start collecting Skitari box, 2 paints and 2 packs of Grass Tufts for a total of 909.
So are you happy with what you got?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm really happy.
Nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
100%.
100%. Okay, we've done 4 so far. People have been really good at selecting tufts, especially when we throw them in their head. So that's nice. But we still got a bunch more to go. So let's bring them in. Do you have any plan?
Now it's time for Kevin and David. Talk about
Magic
polar
cards.
opposites.
Oh, not a bad idea. Okay, so your time starts now. Do you have any specific cards you're looking for? What's the plan? 40k fantasy? None of them. Titanicus, how much is it? It's too much! You need to get something cheaper! I think this was the most calm one so far. Oh, 1 more minute, 1 minute to go. Can we get up here? 289, 700 crowns left to pick. Are you happy or do you want to pick more? You have 20 more seconds. Fancy. Oh, Tyrant. There's 30 seconds left to go.
I'm gonna make it.
How about grass tufts? There we go, and time's up. Perfect, 1 minute 32 seconds, but you didn't pick anything after, so you're good to go. I saw you picked a Blood Bowl orc too. That's a nice one.
Oh yeah, of course.
And with a little bit of help, David managed to get 5 grass stuffed packs, a Blood Bowl orc, an ogre tyrant, and servitor ogrins, for a total of 958 crowns.
Are you happy with what you got?
I'm so happy.
Nice. Well, congratulations, it's all yours.
And in a super calm manner, Kevin managed to grab 12 different magic packs and a Commander 2019 for a total of 833 crowns.
I've had so much fun. We got a few more to go. Let's just do it.
And up next we have Thor, Alexis and Dietrich.
You have no idea why you're here, right? Nope. You have the whole store to pick whatever you want. There is 2 rules. You have max 1,000 crowns and you only have 1.5 minutes to pick whatever you want.
Wait, what?
Yeah. You can pick 10 items for 100 crowns or 1 item for 999. If you go over, we remove the most expensive.
Can I have like 10 minutes to prepare?
No, you can have like 5 seconds. Do you feel unready?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
very already.
Well, your time just started. Boom!
So we had Thor looking for some Dark Angels, but he couldn't find what he was looking for.
Hey, Thor, start collecting. Space Marines, Vanguards.
And Dietrich was 100% set on grabbing the Underworld's
nice.
warbands and start
1
collecting
minute,
boxes.
10
And the
seconds.
so shocked Alexis
we
was
have,
looking for some
a lot of
Lumineth Realm Lord
stone
stuff
giants.
for his army.
You have 70 seconds. Yeah, paints. Do you need any paints?
Oh,
You have 45 more seconds. You have 40 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're good.
And with time up, we had 3 incredibly nervous gamers, waiting to see if their selections had taken them over 1,000 crowns or if they could stay within limit.
920, 955. You're safe. How's it gonna go? 780, 820, 850, 889. Nice.
Okay.
I heard you also needed some grass tufts. So, there we go. Nice. 999. Show the shaky hands for the...
Unfortunately, Dietrich crossed the limit and we had to remove...
We didn't cross 1,000.
No, I'm just kidding. Of course, you got to keep everything, even though we
Yes.
crossed the line. So, with Grimwatch, Beastgrave, 3 grass tufts, and a little bit of a discount, we ended on 978 crowns.
So, are you happy with what you got?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you got some paints, some grass
With the
tufts.
Space Marine Vanguard start collecting, 3 collars and 3 grass tufts, Thor landed on 999 crowns. Alexis got a Valinor Stone King, precision side cutters and 3 Citadel collars for a total of 955.
Oh,
Really shoots up my budget.
yeah, that's perfect. Well, I'm happy you got to be part of it.
Thank
Nice.
you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. He also has a second channel with a lot of hints and tips.
Squiddly bits.
Yeah,
Yeah,
also good.
nice.
So, only 2 to go. A father-son duo.
Ready, set, go!
Harry was by far the fastest participant we ever saw. He knew that he needed the Catan Shard of the Void and grabbed it instantly. Dad was a little bit more hesitant and started wandering around, grabbing small things and small boxes and changing out stuff. Harry grabbed a Death Guard Blight Spawn, and with that, he was done.
30 seconds. What are you looking for? Oh, okay, perfect. 4, 3, 2, 1.
But with time up, they both had gotten something.
Is the tightest.
With the Catan and the Blight Spawn, he was up to 998 crowns. What a winner.
He's a veteran, as a professional.
Dad, however, wasn't quite as good at counting and crossed the line with 2 whole crowns. That's about 20 cents.
Oh yes, that's perfect. 922.
But in true Squidmar fashion, we had to fix a discount and he was down to 922 crowns. Grabbing a Grelin Earth, Necron's Data cards, Genestealer Cults, Atalan Jackals, and some Achilles Ridge Runners.
So, are you guys happy with what you picked?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
definitely.
I feel like you had almost a better plan than Dad.
Yep.
Yeah, I have been looking for that model very long.
Yeah, and now you have it. It's all yours.
This was so much fun, quite a bit different from what we normally do, but fun nonetheless. Thanks, Oscar, for helping out with the filming. Don't forget to check out Raid, because the game is actually really fun. We've been playing it a lot. Massive thanks to all of my patrons. Make sure that my salary is paid. And I guess with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.